All right, so continuing where we left off, we've got negative 8 to the 1/3 is equal to the cube root of negative 8. That's equal to negative 2. Okay, say we have ABC to the 1/5. Then we can just say that this is the 5th root of AB. Let's say we have 25x to the 16th, all raised to the 1/2. Then that's equal to the square root, principal square root of 25x to the 16th, which is equal to principal square root of 5x to the 8 squared. Since 5 squared is 25 and x to the 8 squared is 16. So that becomes 5x to the 8th. Great. Moving on. (27 to the 2/3) is the cube root of 27 squared, or we could write it as the cube root of 27, all of that squared. And we find that this is easier in this problem. It's easier to write it this way because 27 has a cube root, and that is 3. So we know the cube root of 27 is 3. So this becomes 3 squared, which is 9. Right. Example, we've got 25 to the 3/2. So that equals the square root of 25 cubed. And now we know the principal square root, so again, this means principal square root. Principal square root of 25 is 5. And then cubed becomes 125. Okay. Here's another example. Say we've got 9 to the negative 1/2. We can rewrite that as 1 over 9 to the 1/2. We can rewrite that as 1 over the principal square root of 9. And that becomes 1 over 3. Now say we've got 5xy to the negative 4 over 5. We can rewrite that as 1 over 5xy to the 4 over 5. And say we've got 64 to the negative 2 over 3. That can be written as 1 over 64 to the positive 2 over 3, which then equals 1 over the cube root of 64, all of that squared. Now we know the cube root of 64 is 4. Since 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 times 4, is 64. So we know that's 1 over 4 squared, which equals 1 over 16. So shoot me an email if you're confused about any of these examples, and I'm happy to help you out. And yeah, have a great Tuesday evening and Wednesday, and I'll see you on